Good morning, children. In continuation of physical quantities and measurement, today we will discuss density and speed. The lightness or the heaviness of an object is directly related to its density. Substances that have the high density are the heavier, and the substances that have low density are lighter. To understand density, we observe activity 3 and 4. Activity 3 shows that the equal masses of different substances occupy different volumes. In balance beam, first pan contain 1 kg weight and second contain sugar. So, sugar occupies more space than because more matter of iron is packed per unit volume as compared to that in sugar. So we can say iron is more densely packed than in sugar. 24 shows that the equal volume of different substances has different masses. Beam balance, one pan contain same volume of water and second pan contain same volume of kerosene oil. You can see water has more mass than the kerosene because more matter of water is packed per unit volume. Okay, so we can say matter in water is more densely packed than in kerosene. Both activities shows that the materials in which matter is packed more densely is heavier than the ones in which matter is packed less densely. On the basis of above two activities, we can define the density. Density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. It is represented as Greek letter rho, and density is equal to mass upon volume. Unit of density. Know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So in SI unit, mass is kg and volume is meter cube. In this way, the density unit is kilogram per cubic meter. And in CJ system, density is equal to gram per cubic centimeter. Children, in your chapter given example 6, 7, 8 and 9. Question 6, in 6 question, ask density. You know very well density is equal to mass upon volume and put this value easily you obtain answer. Okay, in question second, here asking the mass. The mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, in 8 question he asked the volume, so volume is equal to mass upon density. In 3 question all you can easily try to solve yourself in rough copy. Okay, in last 9th question, a piece of wood measure 4 cm by 3 cm by 6 cm. If it weighs 108 gram, then find the density of the wood in SI unit. Here given question all values given in the CJ system. Then we will convert all values in SI unit. So volume is equal to 4 upon 100 into 3 upon 100 meter into 6 upon 100 meter. In this way we can calculate the volume of piece of wood. In second, mass also given the convert into kg divided by 1000. In this way we can calculate the density of piece. Okay, mass upon volume, put this value, we get the answer 1500 kilogram per cubic. Now next topic is to determine the density of an irregular solid. Children, you have already read about the measuring the volume of irregular solid. In this way you can obtain the volume of irregular solid. And mass can be determined by using physical balance. In this way density is equal to mass upon volume. In this way we can calculate the density of an irregular solid. Now next topic is speed. In our daily life we observe that some bodies running fast like a car, or some body speed is slow like a bicycle. So we can say the motion of body as fast or slow in term of speed. So we can define the speed as the distance traveled by a body in a unit time is known as its speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. V is equal to S upon T, or we can say S is equal to V into T, means distance is equal to speed into time, or time is equal to distance upon speed. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. For the Fast moving objects such as the car, train are expressed in kilometer per hour. Children, for topic speed, given 3 example 10, 11 and 12. Try to solve yourself in rough copy. Okay. In next video we will discuss exercise. Okay. Thank you.